Have you ever noticed how we feel bad for pizza delivery guys? Yeah, the pizza guy has to be to the college dorms in 10 minutes or less, otherwise somebody's gonna want free pizza. Damn, 15 bucks. Bummer, right? But what about the concrete truck drivers? Yeah. They cut them off, they flip them off, they curse at them because they're going too slow. Ah, get out of the way! Get in your lane! Ah, and I'm stuck behind this guy on a one-lane road. I have way more sympathy for the concrete truck drivers than I ever will for the pizza delivery guys. Sorry, pizza guys. There's a lot more people waiting for that delivery. Just sitting around, just anxious, waiting to just pour that thing into a nice concrete slab than the guy who's waiting for his pizza. He has 90 minutes or 300 revolutions of that tank to get 10 yards of concrete to that job site. If it doesn't get there in time, well, now it needs water. Now the slump didn't pass. Now we've got to reject the concrete. Now we've got 15 guys just sitting there waiting. So I have way more sympathy for the concrete truck driver than I do for the pizza delivery guy. Except when the pizza delivery guys come into the job site, then all bets are off, right? Keep screeding. We'll save you some. Everyone likes cold pizza. You're good. So please just don't be assholes to cement truck drivers. They got a lot of stress. They're trying to get to a certain place. They've got a lot of material. They've got a specific amount of time that they have to get to the job site and get that concrete to the concrete guys. Thanks.